Blue Mountain is not blue, it's green. Paji, kaise ho?
बढ़िया बताओ.
के छ मेरो प्यारा मान्छेहरू, स्वागत छ सबैजनालाई फेरि पनि मेरो नयाँ ब्लगमा. आज चाहिँ म र मेरो रुममेट हामीहरू ब्लू माउन्टेन जाँदैछौँ. सो आजको ब्लगमा तपाईँहरूलाई म ब्लू माउन्टेन घुमाउँछु है त. सो हामी चाहिँ कार स्टार्ट भइसक्यो ब्लू माउन्टेनतिर जानलाई. एन्ड द थिङ इज यहाँ चाहिँ सिट बेल्ट यदि हामीले लगाएको छैन भने एन्ड इफ यु आर 18+ देन the person who is not 16? Yeah. Okay, 16+ छ भने जो मान्छेले चाहिँ सिट बेल्ट लगाएको छैन he will be get fined. हाम्रो नेपालमा चाहिँ जस्तो जे भयो नि, in Nepal the car owner will be fined for everything. Everything what happens.
If I have someone stupid he don't want to wear, what's my mistake?
But in Canada that's good.
Yeah, you're above 16, take your responsibility.
Okay. So we are heading towards Blue Mountain. So
it's very near. It's only 2.5 hours.
Okay, it's 2.5 hours
Only.
from our stay.
Only
2.5 hours. हामी चाहिँ ब्लू माउन्टेन भन्ने ठाउँमा पुगिसक्यो. यहाँको भ्यू चाहिँ यस्तो छ खासमा. खोलाएर यस्तो मैले त्यो टिकटकको भिडियो हेर्दाखेरि ब्लू माउन्टेन जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ यो चेस्ट देखिरहेको थियो. अनि त्यो चेस्ट चाहिँ यहाँनिर रहेछ. यहाँनिर ढक्क सबै खेलिरहेको छन् बच्चाहरूले. So लाइफमा फर्स्ट टाइम आइ एम प्लेइङ golf and I have my partner. Golf.
I will win.
Really?
Yes.
How many shots?
Each hole 3 shots enough.
Oh, okay, let's see. This is my first time, but let's see who will win. I'll beat you in this one. I'll beat you. Come on. It's okay.
It's 4-1, so
That's fine. It's
I have
okay.
to bring 3 more.
Okay.
Fine, don't
There
cry.
are 18, man.
Okay.
This is just starting of my win.
Okay, see now
Ah.
I'm on the golf mood.
Okay, let's see. So मैले चाहिँ अहमदलाई हराइदिएँ. I win. I win.
I'm happy because of his YouTube channel. So
Oh no!
I don't want him to say in the channel. I know.
No. It was not like that. Okay,
You
so
can enjoy this time.
पाजी कैसे हो?
बढ़िया बताओ.
बढ़िया पाजी. So केबल कारमा जाने हामी.
See,
First
after
game.
this, we have to drink something cold.
First game.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you. It's moving. That's fine. I'm not scared. त हुँदा पनि बिहोस हुँदिन त म. के भएको? यस्तो हाइटमा हुँदा नि बिहोस हुँदिन त म. And I know. Blue Mountain is not blue, it's green,
Yeah,
man.
but what do you see there? There's something blue.
That's Blue Lake.
Okay.
So the name should be Blue
But when you
Lake.
stand here, you see blue view. So it's Blue Mountain. See?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
They should not name like that.
So what they should call it?
They should call it Blue Lake View.
Okay.
They should
So-
change the name. They should change the name.
I will write a letter for Prime Minister, so he changed it.
Prime Minister? Trudeau?
Don't do, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry.
Thank you.
We'll
Thank
do
you.
that for you.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. What's guys?
If you get scared again, just sit down. It's perfectly fine.
Okay, sure.
Sit down and look down here.
I'll, I'll follow your instructions. Have a good day, man. Okay. पेट पूजा गरौँ पेट पूजा गरेर अब नेक्स्ट गेमतर्फ लाग्दैछौँ अब त्यो एउटा गाडीवाला छ 42 km/h एकचोटि त्यो गाडी चाहिँ चढ्नु पर्छ Bear Grylls जस्तो feel हो
Awesome. Pop those on your heads. They would go on like bike helmets and then to tighten at the back.
We're heading towards Chipland. Back in Nepal, we used to have this kind of roads when we used to go to school. What happened?
You slip.
Huh? What? You can't go over there?
Go see.
Look, look. Sir. यस्तो स्लोपमा नि हिँड्न सकेन यार यो मान्छेले
I don't want to slip there.
I didn't sleep, sir. So म चाहिँ construction worker देखेको छु but going to the zip line. अहिलेको बाटोमा फेरि हामी आइसकेका छौँ होइन योपालि चाहिँ अहमदले यही स्लोपबाट चढ्ने भएको छ है ओके अहमद कम अन अहमद यु क्यान डु इट गो 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 स्लिप इट्स इजी म्यान Oh, you're tired? Look at that. Huh?
Go.
And the thing is, Ahmad is scared of this one. Come on, Ahmad, you can do it.
No way.
Okay, start.
Start what?
This one.
I know, I will second them then. I don't have that stamina to do this.
Come on, man. Then we have to go back. Then we have to go back.
I don't think so.
Why? There's no way to go back. We have to go from this way. Blue को त्यो लेभलबाट त्यहाँ रोप रोपवेमा जम्प गरेर अन द्याट बोर्ड अनि योवाला पनि सक्यो आई थिङ्क तलको यो रोपहरूमा नि हिँड्नुपर्ने हो सायद थाक्यो केटा आई डोन्ट नो ओके लेट्स सी ओके आफ्टर दिस आई हेभ रिच्ड दिस लेभल आई एम टु टायर्ड आई विल कम्प्लिट दिस वान लेट्स डु इट So I completed this one and the next one is net. So म आएको बाटोबाट दुईजना अरू पनि आउँदैछन् from there to there to this one. लास्टै इन्जोय गरेँ हामी चाहिँ डबल कारमा चढ्यौँ एन्ड डबल त्यो केबल कारमा पनि चढ्यौँ up down पुरै थाक्या छ एन्ड टुमोरो मेरो प्रेजेन्टेसन पनि I have a presentation tomorrow morning, one exam and one presentation. So thank you so much for watching the video. धेरै धन्यवाद. I hope I'll continue for making video. म चाहिँ मेरो भिडियो मेकिङलाई चाहिँ कन्टिन्युटी दिनेछु. I hope so. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till then, अर्को भिडियो च्यानलले बनाउँछु.
So what's it? Subscribe?
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Thank you
And
so much.
share.
Okay, yeah.
And follow. And put comments.
Oh, put comments, yeah.
Put negative comments.
No,
Oh, sorry.
positive man.
No, positive.
Okay.
Negative.
So thank you so much video.
And fight in the comments.
Yeah, fight in the comments. So चाँडै नै म नेक्स्ट भिडियो लिएर आउँछु.
Till tomorrow you will take
Bye.
video.
Bye.